Good night. I am Stalin Garzón. Tonight, speaking about the color in nature, a dynamic role of the wheat in natural every month, which are taking the splendor of a vivid rainbow against the gray blue storm clouds that after thunder shower. A summer of closely examining a wing iridescent butterfly color plays an important role in our fascination with the natural environment. The color spectrum is a natural phenomenon as any color in all shades and hues can be found in our natural environment. The color is the result of certain wavelengths of solar light reflection, pigment of the small molecules. Color and animals. Uh, why animals come out in variety of the shades of hues, the color is an important adaptation that can mean the difference between life and death. If animal wants to blend in which their surroundings, such as a spot on a fan silent fan, or produce like a blue-beard excretion, its color is genetically inherited trait. The presence of spot tribes are also effective in breaking the contours of an animal otherwise solid color. It can also be a means of communication between the individual members of the same species. Opposite, aposematic or warning color correction is the use of high contrast and strong color in animals that projects a clear message that says, "Leave me alone." This is especially true with shades of red, orange, yellow, or white contrasted against a black background. Usually indicate some type of harmfulness. Uh, albino coloration is caused by a lack of pigmentation in the skin, feathers, hair, and eggs. It occurs when a genetic mutation caused by a recessive trait which make an enzyme production pigment. Such melanin in humans is not functional. A lack of the protective coloration, these animals become easy prey for predators. Molliformis season is a term that means season changes color in some species of moth or butterflies, such as mustard white butterfly. Springtime color is bolder or darker. The colors and patterns of birds have developed in unison with the behavior and is used for both concealment and signaling. The males are brighter than females in order to have a greater visual contrast the surrounding environment colors. Butterflies, the wonderful flash of the colors seen on the wings of the butterflies come from pigment in powder scaly covering the wings. Each species has is of distinct seed of the branches are around, although individual variation is abnormal. Sunrise sunset. Yellow, bright, red, pink, orange, and we see a dog or dogs are caused when sunlight passes through the particles the air atmosphere, triggering a spectacular display of changing colors. Some colors are scarred more than others because of their individual wavelength colors with wavelengths shorter while blue, green, purple scatter away. Colors with wavelengths longer, wavelengths of the red, orange, yellow reach the surface of the air. Thank you very much.